My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. I worked there over a decade. I've worked thousands of cases. Welcome to this YouTube channel. The short, sweet, to the point. I don't waste anyone's time. Me and my M&M man give you a thumbs up today. I want to talk to you today about what's the best way and the fastest way to settle your tax debt with the Internal Revenue Service. I actually taught the offer and compromise program. I'm a specialist in it. I can't even tell you how many offers I've looked at, I accepted and denied them. The offer and compromise program is the program to settle your tax debt. That's the program. Most people don't understand it. You have to understand it before you get involved or pay anybody any money, because there's a bunch of companies ripping people off. I see them all the time. There's at least one call I get a day of someone that's been ripped off by a company who said they'll be able to settle their tax debt, and they really never qualified in the first place. Last year, IRS went ahead and settled 21,000 cases for an average of $16,000 per case. But that 16,000 is not indicative of what everyone settled for. I got some offers through for $500. There's a formula for that, and the formula I will go over. But there's also, if you go to irs.gov, you will find a pre-qualifier tool. That's the best place to go so you understand the program. IRS is going to look at really two things. They want to know what your assets are, and they want to know what your income and necessary living expenses are. Those are the two parts of the formula you must be familiar with. IRS is not going to settle for any less than what you have in assets. If your asset base is 100,000, you're not going to settle for any less. IRS can seize it and take it. They probably have a lien on it. They're not going to negotiate that. They're also going to look at your income and see if you have any money left over to pay IRS according to the IRS national standards. I have another video on the national standards that you may want to look at. IRS has national standards set up in every county in the United States, so you must be familiar with that. So is there a fast way to settle the debt? Nah, the average wait time for an offer and compromise is 9 months. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're current on all your back filings, and you want to make sure you're current on withholding or estimate payments in the year that we're in, or IRS is not going to accept your offer. With that, have somebody qualified review your financial statement, your 433 OIC. That is the form that IRS is going to use, the IRS form 433 OIC. Have someone review that case to find out if you can qualify. Let that person explain to you that you are a qualified person, why you're qualified. Also, make sure you're not speaking to a salesperson. Most of these companies that are calling you or you're talking to, they're not the actual person doing the work. When you call us, you speak to an agent. Like, salespeople usually make 50% commission just signing you up. So make sure you qualify, for that. So settlements are possible. You have to know the system and just be aware of fraudulent people out there. Anyone qualified can look at your financial statement within seconds and be able to tell you whether you're a qualified candidate. Blessings to you. Thank you for listening.